Autumn, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Cuties.
What are you doing to the cutie?
Puna.
Oh, you can do it by yourself? Yes. Here, let me turn it this way so I can see. Do you know who else loves cuties?
What?
You know who?
What?
Aunt Jessica loves cuties.
Me too.
You do? Tell Aunt Jessica why you love cuties.
I like this because cuties.
Why?
Because
They're gross?
no.
What are they?
No cuties.
Are they yummy?
Yeah. You peel this off from the trash can.
Yeah, what do you do next?
A cutie like this.
Are you supposed to share cuties?
No.
No, yes you are!
No.
Show Aunt Jessica how you show your cutie with mommy. Little piece, little piece. Thank you. Mmm.
What's this cup?
I'm gonna send this to Aunt Jessica. Eat your cutie, let her see you eat it. Was it yummy? Mm-hmm. Tell Aunt Jessica you love her.
I love you.
Send her a big kiss. Say hi, Ava. Hi, Elise.
How? Hi,
Hi, Uncle Scott.
Hi, Uncle Scott.
Bye.